Alright, so today we're gonna be doing pre-12 financial math. I know that I've been off, just that I had a lot of things to take off, so I'm back and I'm gonna be doing financial mathematics. This is a topic that a lot of learners have asked me to make videos about, and of course I'm gonna be at a service provider in it. I don't wanna be talking too much, I wanna get into it because you know that this video is gonna be too long if I keep on talking, right? So wait, I have to turn on my lamp, so I'm so sorry about that. Let me just disappear for a second. Alright, that's perfect. Now I got my lamp turned on. Yeah, so now let's get into it. It was question 6. This is a question from one of the previous papers, and it was financial math question 6. Let us get into it. So 6.1 said, let me bring my laptop a little bit closer so that you can see. I have eye problem. Anyway, Ellie bought a laptop 4 years ago. The value of the laptop depreciates, so I'm gonna assume that this is depreciation from 9,670 rand on a depreciation balance scale. So they've also given us the option which it was depreciating. Remember that I said that we have two methods for depreciation. We have the simple interest or the linear scale. We also have the reducing balance, which is the case in this example. Right, so they're saying that it's going to reduce to 9,770 to its current value of 5,509.70 cents. Calculate the annual rate of depreciation of the laptop. So we're going to utilize the depreciation. We're going to utilize the depreciation formula to determine the rate of depreciation, which is going to be the rate of interest in other words, right? So let us get into it. So 6.1, we're going to utilize the depreciation formula, which is A is equal to P into 1 minus I to the power of N. And we have the depreciated value, which is the A, and it is 5,509 rand 70 cents, which is equal to the principal or the initial amount 9,670 rand into 1 minus the interest rate is what we are looking for. So I to the power of, they said for 4 years, right? So 4 years. Remember that I said that when it comes to depreciation and appreciation, the interest rate is never going to be compounded monthly, quarterly, or half year. It's always going to be compounded per annum or annually. Right, so now let us solve for I. So we're going to divide both sides by 9,670 first. And then after that, we are going to find the fourth root of both sides. So to prevent converting and getting away from the answer, or to make sure that the answer is accurate, we're going to avoid pressing this into the calculator and determine what it is. So because we might actually get an irrational number, which is going to shift us away from the from us being accurate to the correct answer, right? So I'm gonna keep it at 5,509 rand 70 cents over 9,670. So what I'm gonna do on both sides is determine the fourth root. So the 4 as an exponent is going to cancel the fourth root, then only 1 minus I on the right hand is going to remain. Then of course on the left hand side we're going to have the fourth root of 5,509.70 over 9,670. I'm going to keep it like this to avoid conversion, to make sure that we are accurate or our answer is accurate. So what I'm going to do is take the negative interest or the depreciation rate on the left hand side so that it becomes positive. So on the right hand side only 1 is going to remain, and then we're going to subtract this, which is the fourth root of 5,509 rand 70 cents over 9,670. Then this is what I'm going to press into the calculator. In that way, we're going to find out, we're going to get an accurate answer. Unlike if we had actually pressed this into the calculator, that's what I'm talking about. If we had pressed